Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to give Facebook page admin access. So I'll be using computer and Google Chrome web browser. If you're using a mobile phone, don't worry, the procedure is almost the same. The button may look like slightly different, but the steps are very similar, so you can still follow this guide. Alright, let's get started. So once you already log into your Facebook account, and choose the page you want to use. If you don't see your page, just click see all profile. But for me, I'm going to choose this page, Hutch Clothing and More. So once you're already here, you have to go to the professional board, which is located at the upper left side. Once you're already here, go to all tools. And there you will see profile panel and you will see the page access. You just have to click that. Once you're already here in the page access, you will see people who have access on this Facebook page. If you want to add another admin, you just have to click add new. You will see here Facebook access means. Click next and type the name of the person you want to add and become an admin on your Facebook page. I'm going to choose Gerald Tan, for example. And once you already confirm that this is the person you want to give access to as an admin, you just have to click allow this person to have full control. And then give access. Your Facebook password and click confirm, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.